Okay, welcome to part 2 of your high school registration course selection process. Part 2 is going to require that you have this page filled out and with you, and then you are going to go to your Infinite campus portal and log in. And when you get there, you are going to want to look on the left-hand side and choose academic planning. So all of the instructions for this are on the back side of that paper if you forget, but just want you to have a visual. When you click on academic planning, you will see what's called our four-year plan kind of laid out. You can see grade 9, 10, 11, 12. Today, of course, we're just going to focus on the grade level that you are going into next. And we're going to go ahead and use that paper to choose the classes. So you will simply click in every single subject area and select the 2 classes. And you'll notice for English, for instance, you are always going to choose A and B, the first semester and the second semester. That's how those A's and B's work. Math, you're going to do the same thing. Whatever you're taking next year, choose the first semester of algebra, the A semester, and the B. Go down to history. Again, this is where you're making that decision between taking high school or Ames. If you're taking Ames, it's still an A and a B. Science. Choose both. Skip communications, that'll come up next year when you're in 10th grade. PE, both of them required for freshmen. Same with ICAP, you will take ICAP every year. Only your freshman year is it's split into 2 semesters. Every other year you'll have it just for 1 semester. But we sort of pair that up with PE. Skip fine arts. Then we get down here to your elective. So remember, we talked about Spanish being kind of unique. If you're taking Spanish, make sure you include it here. Most of you will take Spanish 1, Spanish 25A, and Spanish 25B, and any other electives that you chose. So I'll just go ahead and let's find something a little different. Maybe add a tutoring. Awesome. Remember, if you were taking a study hall, because you don't get credit for study hall, it's down here under this non-credit, but it is counting as one of your check marks. So a good way to double check that you have completed or that you've chosen all your classes is just go ahead and count up these boxes. So we're going to go in reverse order, see how many boxes we have, and see if there's something that we missed. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Excellent. So here in Infinite Campus, we won't choose the electives. Those will just be on that paper. Make sure you do indicate your A's on the paper. But the last step that you need to do to save these and make sure that they come to me so that we actually give you the classes and the system will give you your classes is to save. And you will most likely see some kind of message that says that you haven't filled out all the other grade levels, and you can ignore that and just click OK. So that is the last step in the process. So once you've done this and saved it, then you can go ahead and turn that paper into the high school office. And after all is said and done, after the registration process closes, then every single one of you will come in to meet with your academic advisor, and we'll sort of look through your paper, look through what you registered for in Infinite Campus, make sure you have all the signatures that you need, and kind of talk through what your academic and career plans and college plans are for your first year. And we will do that every single year to prepare for choosing classes for the next year.